Hello everyone, today we are going to work on this damaging of ALS characters. So we can shoot them and kill them. So that's what I'm going to work on today. Okay, so first, in order to test shooting, let's duplicate this character, and no need to rotate him. I just rotate him, no problem. And let's see what happens. Oh wait, I need to disable possessing this character with player, so let me disable that. Let's get one of the guns. Right, I don't get the correct impact particle. We should get blood, and also let me shoot in between. Here you can see it still hits, so I think the capsule is the hits are detected with the capsule, which is not what I want. So let me open the character, select the capsule, go to collision resets, bullet trace. I'm gonna ignore that, and for the mesh, where's the collision? Bullet trace is already blocking, and also let's change the physics material to flesh. Right, it is working. Alright, so the next thing is getting the character to react to hits. So I think I already have. Let's take a look at into what I am doing in my previous character. On bullet hit, we can just copy the same thing. Put it here. Oh wait, there is an error here. So here we need to find on bullet hit. So yeah, we check if it is a headshot here, and right, we need to implement this on bullet hit. I think I have implemented this through the BPI CLM character interface. Alright, so here let's override the function. Sorry, it's not in the character interface, it's in the damageable interface. So we have to implement that. First, let me rename the BPI damageable into BPI CLM BPI damageable. Right, here we have one bullet hit, on explosion hit, on fire hit. Let me put this into a different category. Damageable. Right, now I'll implement that interface in the base character. CLM BPI damageable. Now for the base character, I don't wish to implement it because here we don't have a mesh. So here let's implement it. Now we have on bullet hit. Right. So first we need this get closest bone function. We need to implement this because we need to check if it is a headshot. Can I don't think I can copy. Get closest bone. Let me copy the name first. Oh wait, I can copy this. Can I paste it? Oh yeah, it works. Great. I didn't know that. Okay, but we need this bone names, and this is a local variable, min dist and closest bone. And for the bone names, can this be a local variable? I don't see why. Oh wait, maybe if I have a different mesh, this could be a concern, but I think that's fine for now. Let's make this local variable because I don't need to fill up a lot of variables here. Paste. These names should work because both characters use the epic skeleton. Min dist, right? Okay, now here I think now I can copy this. Cancel. Oh, we need to implement this on bullet hit E. Damage. This part first. Okay. Can I copy this as well? I can. Alright. Let's paste it. Okay, some issues are there, but those here. Play montage. So here what we are doing is we update health, and if the health is less than or equal to 0, we simulate ragdoll and drop the weapon. In React we have to create this variable. I'll put this under animations and health. This should come under what? Character properties. Compile. Okay, everything compiled. But still we need a proper an animation for that. At the moment I don't have one, so that's not okay. Yeah, let's leave that for now and implement the function, and then after that I'll add the animation. Right, so we have health. Default value should be 100. Yeah. Okay, now we have the damage macro, but we still don't have on bullet hit event. We need this event. We need to call it when we get hit by a bullet hit. The reason we can't directly implement this as a custom event or just an event implemented through the damageable interface is we need to return if it is a headshot, because we use it to enable bullet camera when we shoot through sniper. So that's why we have to use this on bullet hit as a function, if you don't remember. Right, now let me copy this and go to code like my graph, paste. Okay, connect the macro damage. Right, now on bullet hit all we have to do is copy, paste, okay. To check if these functions are calling, oh wait, this shouldn't be 0. Oh, right, I haven't connected this. Right, shall we check? It's getting called, these functions. think after getting a headshot, oh no, let's print health. Right, after health is reduced, we don't get the hits anymore. But in ALS system we have this ragdoll start function. So I think instead of calling this set simulate physics, let's call ragdoll start. Okay, the guy died. Great. Now the reaction animation. For that, let's retarget this to ALS. Now we have this test RPG, which I don't need anymore, and this should pretty much work on the upper body. So let's add the curves, spine, and armor, head, that should, and all of these should be 1. Is it everyone? Okay. Now let's assign this montage into the React animation. doesn't play. Right, slots. We have to play this on a spline. Mill, Amar. Now let's see. Right, it is working. Shall we add head as well? Oh wait. Duplicate and add head. Okay, so we can shoot and kill ALS characters now. And also it would look better if the character gets some movement, like somewhat pushback when it gets hits. So for that, how should we do that? Here, let me collapse this part. Bullet hit. Let's calculate direction from the hit point to get a location, so towards the center of the character. So, and then let's add impulse to character movement component. Right, let's add this as a velocity change, and to get a considerable movement, let's I don't need to add any movement impulse vertically, so I'll consider only x and y axis component of this direction. And as for this, let's try 500. Let's see what kind of a value would work best. There is some movement, right, but I don't feel that's enough. How about 1500? That's too much. That's too much. Oh wait, actually that impulse should be away from the shooter, not from the hit location. But how do we get the shooter? We don't. Right, anyway, then what we can do is can clamp in between 1 500. No, this is not good. On bullet hit, let's add a new parameter. Let's call it maybe a vector would be enough. Show the location. Right, now in the 𝐕𝐵 gun, where do we call on bullet hit? Let's just use get actor location. That should be accurate enough. Let's add vector shooter location. Right, now I don't think we need this clamping anymore because we get a unit direction vector. Now let's try. Right, now it's constant. So 400. Right, that seems better actually. Let me add a couple more for testing. Okay, so here I'm gonna stop this episode. So as always, project files will be available for the download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below, and if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.